In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay safe on the Zoom app. As virtual meetings become more prevalent in our day-to-day lives, whether for business, learning, or personal connections, it's essential to understand how to protect your privacy and maintain security. So, let's dive right into some key practices that can help you lock down your Zoom meetings and control participant interactions to prevent any unwanted incidents. First, it's crucial to ensure that every meeting you host is protected by a passcode. Using a passcode is a straightforward yet highly effective way to add an extra layer of security to your meetings. When setting up a meeting, you can generate a unique passcode which participants will need to enter before joining. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of uninvited guests accessing your meeting and disrupting your session. Another important feature you should utilize is the waiting room. This feature allows you, as the host, to monitor and approve each participant before they enter the meeting. By turning on the waiting room, you gain control over who can join, making it easier to spot anyone who may not belong there. This is particularly useful in avoiding potential disturbances and ensuring that your meeting runs smoothly. It's also wise to avoid posting meeting links publicly. While it might seem convenient to share a meeting link on social media or a public website, this can open the door to potential troublemakers, also known as Zoom bombers. Instead, send the meeting information directly to the individuals who need to attend, either via email or other secure communication channels. Now, controlling your meeting doesn't stop at just letting the right people in. Once your meeting is underway, you have various settings at your disposal to manage participants and help maintain order. During a meeting, click on the Participants button, followed by More, to access additional controls. You can optimize these settings by enabling the Mute Participants on Entry option. This ensures that everyone who joins the meeting is automatically muted, thereby minimizing background noise and unnecessary interruptions right from the start. If the conversation needs to be directional, you may also want to consider disabling the Allow Participants to Unmute Themselves feature. While this might seem restrictive, it can be beneficial in situations where you need complete control over the discussion flow, or if issues arise from participants accidentally unmuting themselves. Finally, take note of screen sharing settings. It's usually best to turn off screen sharing for others unless sharing is required for the meeting. This prevents participants from inadvertently or even intentionally sharing their screens, which could lead to unintentional information exposure or disruptions. By implementing these straightforward practices, you can create a smoother, more secure experience for both you and your attendees on Zoom. So next time you're preparing for a meeting, keep these safety tips in mind to ensure that everything runs as planned. I hope you found these tips helpful, and until next time, stay safe and happy meeting.